Here's how you can connect your PC to the internet using an Ethernet cable. The Ethernet port in your room must be activated by ResNet for Ethernet access. To activate your port, go to student.housing.uww.edu, then click Port Activation and follow the steps there. For internet access, you must also register your PC by its MAC address. To find the MAC address on your PC, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type CMD. Click the command prompt in the menu. This will open a new window with lines of text. Leaving your cursor in the default position, type IPCONFIG /all and press enter. This will provide a list of results. In the subsection Ethernet adapter Ethernet, your MAC address will be listed as the physical address. With the MAC address, you can now register your PC. Go to mydevices.uww.edu and sign in with your NetID and password. Click the Add button. Then enter in a name for your PC and its MAC address and click Submit. Your PC will now be registered. Once your Ethernet port is activated and your PC is registered, you can now connect your PC to the port with an Ethernet cable. Your PC is now connected to the internet. For further questions, you can email us at resnet@uww.edu.